Hello and welcome to this installation video of Ocushield anti-blue light screen protector. Following the installation, I will be giving an honest review of what I think of the final result. By owning an anti-blue light screen protector, you are not only just protecting the display of your phone, but you're also protecting your health. Ocushield has created this product to help reduce the consequences of your eyes suffering as a result of using your smartphone often. If you use your handset frequently throughout the day, it could lead to eye strain, fatigueness, headaches, and blurry vision. The blue light that radiates from your phone also obstructs melatonin, meaning that the use of your smartphone could be one of the many reasons why you aren't getting enough sleep at night. This protector has been constructed using materials that prevent blue light from passing through it, making your device's display less harmful for your eyes. Within the box you will receive everything that is needed to apply the protector, which includes the glass screen protector, the easy applicator, dust removal stickers, a microfiber cloth, and a wet wipe. Before applying the glass to your display, I would recommend turning off your device, just so it doesn't keep activating during the application. So without further ado, let's apply this screen protector to the iPhone 12 Pro. The first stage is to clean the display of your device. To do so, take the wet wipe and remove any persistent finger marks or dirt from the display of your phone. Next, use the microfiber cloth to ensure the screen is completely dry after using the wet wipe. Then use the dust removal sticker to eliminate any dust from the screen. If there is any dust left, it will hinder the look of your device once the glass has been attached. Now we can move on to the second and final stage of the process, which is to attach the glass to your phone. To do so, remove the foam board that is inside the easy applicator and carefully peel back the tab labelled 1. With this done, you can now lower the tray onto the screen of your device. Make sure you align the notch of your phone to the cutout of the glass. Then run your finger down the display, starting at the top through to the bottom. With this done, peel off the blue sticker using the tab labelled pull. Press your finger down onto your display when doing so, as the blue sticker will lift the tray away from the display. If there are any bubbles visible, slightly lift the glass and push the bubbles out using the microfiber cloth. And there you are. After a quick and easy installation, the Ocushield glass screen protector is firmly fitted to the display of the iPhone 12 Pro handset. The application tray provided a precise installation. As you can see, the notch is perfectly aligned with the cutout of the glass. The response rate of the device is unfazed by the screen protector, allowing for it to be just as easy as before to scroll through the phone's contents. Also, the feel of the protector is incredibly smooth, meaning for my finger to scroll effortlessly against the glass without experiencing any friction. You will not need to alter the brightness of the display once the glass has been fitted, so there will be no worries about your battery becoming drained. Considering this is a glass protector, it elevates very little from the screen of your phone, unlike a lot of glass protectors that tend to raise quite drastically from the phone's display. Even with the protector's ability to reduce blue light, it is still able to portray the true colours of the handset. Therefore, you can continue watching movies from this Super Retina display as like before. Due to the accurate fit of the glass and the fact it doesn't intrude heavily onto the bezel of the phone, you'll find no issues when attaching a case, enabling you to delve into some of the marvellous cases that have been created for this phone. If you have any questions about the screen protector, please ask in the comment section. To purchase the screen protector, check out the link in the description and comments below. For more content to keep you up to date with the latest mobile accessories and tech reviews, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.